Somewhere between Mars and Jupiter lies a silent realm. A place that once promised to be a planet, but never was. Billions of fragments drift endlessly through this dark space, whispering stories from the birth of our solar system. We call it the Asteroid Belt. For years, we thought it was nothing more than a wasteland of broken stones, useless, lifeless debris floating in eternal darkness. But the truth is far stranger, far deeper, and far more important than anyone ever imagined. Because the asteroid belt isn't just a graveyard of rocks, it's the DNA of our solar system, the cosmic archive of everything that ever was, and perhaps everything that will come next. So today, let's journey together beyond Mars, and uncover the secrets of the asteroid belt, a place that's more than just rocks. 4.6 billion years ago, when the solar system was still young, dust and gas spun around the newborn sun like a cosmic storm. Tiny particles collided, clumped, and grew, forming the first seeds of worlds. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And then, something happened. Between Mars and Jupiter, there was meant to be another planet, one that could have changed everything. But Jupiter, the giant of the solar system, had other plans. Its immense gravity tore apart the forming material, preventing a planet from ever taking shape. What was left behind became a vast ring of debris, the asteroid belt. Not a solid band like in the movies, but an ocean of space, where each asteroid can be millions of kilometers apart. It's not chaos, it's quiet, peaceful, timeless. Each rock drifting endlessly, frozen in motion since the dawn of creation. Most people imagine the asteroid belt as gray, dull, lifeless. But within it lies extraordinary diversity, entire microworlds orbiting the sun. Some are metallic giants like Psyche, believed to be the exposed core of an ancient, destroyed planet, made almost entirely of iron and nickel. Others, like Ceres, are rich in ice and possibly underground oceans. And some carbon-rich asteroids may hold organic molecules, the very building blocks of life. These aren't just rocks. They're time capsules. Each one holding information about the early chemistry of the solar system, how planets formed, and maybe how life began. Every asteroid is like a fossil, not from Earth, but from before Earth existed. As humanity looks beyond Earth, our eyes are turning back to the asteroid belt. Why? Because it could hold the resources to fuel our expansion into space. A single metallic asteroid could contain trillions of dollars worth of iron, nickel, cobalt, and even gold. Imagine harnessing those materials, not to make jewelry, but to build the next generation of spacecraft, colonies, and orbital cities. Companies like NASA, SpaceX, and Planetary Resources are already designing missions to study or even mine these asteroids. In a few decades, the asteroid belt could become the industrial heart of the solar system, a place where machines and humans work side by side, building the infrastructure of the space age. But it's not just about profit. It's about survival. Mining asteroids could save Earth from overuse of resources, and provide the metals we need, without destroying our planet in the process. Yet, even now, the asteroid belt hides secrets we can't explain. Some scientists believe it contains fragments of a lost world, a planet that began to form, then was shattered by Jupiter's gravity. Others wonder if it could hold clues to how water arrived on Earth, or whether asteroids once carried the molecules that became DNA. And then there's the strange phenomenon of binary asteroids, two bodies orbiting each other in perfect harmony, like cosmic dancers locked in an eternal waltz. How did they form? Why do they exist? The answers could reshape everything we know about gravity and cosmic evolution. In the grand story of the universe, the asteroid belt represents a bridge. A bridge between the inner planets and the outer giants. Between the past that shaped us, and the future we're reaching for. One day, we might live there, mining, exploring, researching, even building new civilizations in orbit around Ceres or Vesta. We might learn to harness the materials of the belt to create space habitats, refueling stations, or launch platforms to go beyond our solar system. The asteroid belt could be humanity's next frontier, and the first step toward becoming a true spacefaring civilization. The asteroid belt isn't just a cluster of rocks. It's a memory. A frozen reminder of creation, destruction, and endless transformation. It holds the keys to our origins, and the blueprint for our destiny. So next time you gaze into the night sky, remember. Between Mars and Jupiter, in that silent ocean of ancient stones, lies the truth of who we were. And the future of who we might become. Sparkle subscribe for more cosmic explorations. The universe is full of secrets, waiting for you to discover them.